The nice guys never win. I'm done, bro, being a nice guy, but I'm a great fucking dude. Bro. Nice guys don't get no bitches. Nice guys don't goddamn get no respect. Nice guys don't get shit. And I'm way too fucking nice. I realize that. That's just the sad reality of the situation. Nice guys finish last. A motherfucker dead ass trying to get over on me because they know I'm such a nice person. I'm done, bro, being a great fucking guy because nobody appreciates it, bro. Nobody appreciates being a great fucking guy. A lot of people been taking advantage of me being so nice. I'm way too fucking nice. But now, I feel like I done let that shit happen too many times to the point where now I gotta go back to who I really know I am and who I really was, just to prove a point to motherfuckers like, hey, stop trying to motherfucking play in my face like I'm stupid, bro.
Nice guys always finish last.